Guys, I'll be sharing with you the ways I've noticed that you can make money online while at home. So, the first one I'm going to share, this is about sports betting online. Yes, you heard me correct. In Zimbabwe, we now have so far found two. I'm not sure of how many there are. Sites you can use to bet online. Alright, for the first one, it's going to be Betpower. However, it's not a guarantee that you can make money online. Sometimes you get beaten, especially me. I've been beaten more than I've won. I've lost more than I've won. Yeah, so you can term it gambling. Okay. The site is user friendly. It's easy to maneuver around with it. You don't need to be experienced or so forth. Yeah, you may argue that with me that it's not always that you get beaten. I would agree to some extent because I'm not a sports fan. Probably that's why I lost. Alright. So what happens on this side is where you see it's written live now. These are games which are being played as we speak. These ones. They're the games which are being played. Mm, if we go back to sport, if we click on sport, we have the next 48 hours. These are games which will be played in the next 48 hours. Brisbane City versus Queensland Lions, blah blah blah. Okay, so what happens is, for instance, uh, we want to bet for Queensland. We know that it's going to win. So what you do is you just click where it's written 2 and with a 1.14 which is underneath. Then you, by so doing, we're creating a sports bet slip. You can see what's written at the bottom in yellow, which is highlighted in yellow. Then we go on the next game you want to bet for. For instance, let's go for this one. We know that Adelaide Olympic, we're assuming that is going to win. Then for the next one, we go there. For instance, we assume that it's also going to win. Okay. Then you click on your slip. This is your bet slip. The minimum stake you can put is $1. Yeah, it's affordable. For a stake of $1, our payout is going to be $3.45. It's lower. But however, if you put a long list, your potential winnings increase. And the probability of you losing also increases. As you know, mathematically, you definitely know that mathematically. Alright. Then, forgive me, I'm just ticking any just to show you something. Alright. The figure which is written at the bottom, these are the odds. The odds. They call them odds. The odds of winning. If you look at this, this is 1.16 as compared to 11. So one may say this one with 1.16 is a greater probability that it's going to win than this one. Look at the bet slip now. Then let's take a dollar. Look at the potential winnings. That's 359 and the payout. 359 inclusive, excluding the 35% bonus. Then if we add those together, your payout will be now $486. Yeah. You can get some sense. Provided you're good at guessing. Can we say guessing? Or you know sports. Alright, then there is no maximum number on the size of a bet slip. The minimum is 1. Maximum, I never heard of it. Then to deposit money, you come here to deposit using EcoCash. And the minimum deposit is $1 and the maximum is $1,000. Yes. Even the withdrawing, you withdraw using EcoCash. Then to create an account, you click on join. Then you just put your phone number. If we let's say for instance, if you come by this game, there is more you can predict. This one, it's obviously the same window, the first line, first 2 rows. That's the same thing we're seeing from the other end before we expanded. Then here, first half, you're predicting which team will be leading during the first half. Then second half, predicting which team will be leading. Then over and under full time. This is sort of like predicting how many goals are going to be scored within the full time. Are they going to be over 1.5 goals? Or for under 3.5, you'll be predicting that the goals will be less than 3.5. Then first half, over and under, it's similar to the one I'm from explaining about full time. However, this one is for the first half. Then John Dalap, I'm not sure about this one. I might lie. Yeah, even the following. Then both teams to score. I think it's self-explanatory. Then predicting the correct score. Yeah. However, this seems to have a lot of facts. But the probability of you picking the correct score is less. I'm sorry, I take things in a mathematical analysis way. I'm so much of a critic. Sort of. Okay. Then predicting the scoreline in first half. Then we have specials. I'm not sure what it is. Draw or no bet. This means, let's say for instance I click here. What I'm trying to say is, I'm saying the team which is written on the first, or which is home, is going to win. If it doesn't win and they draw, withdraw my bet. If it's a draw, withdraw my bet. Yes, that's what it means. The rest, I think you can just try and see what goes on. Alright. Then we have what we call virtuals. These I doubt if they're real games. Virtual games, these are not real games. They're just, I think they're simulated games. Yes, you'll be betting for it's the same principle with that side. Besides that, these ones are simulated. They're not live or real games. That's what I heard. Then there's what we call jackpots. Yeah, these ones, I've tried them, but hey, I've been losing. If you check out this one, let's click on play and see what's happening. What's under there? All right. They're saying pick 17 winners. Prizes for 13 correct. So what we have to do is to pick teams which we think they are going to win, and we have to pick about 17 teams. From starting from 13, those who are going to get 13 correct, they will get prizes. Yeah, you get something. Okay, I logged into my account off camera. Okay, so we're now in my account. I'm going under jackpots. Then let's go to results. These are jackpots which I held some time back. Only one person managed to predict 10 correct teams out of what? Out of 13. Then next 11 correct, none. 12 correct, none. 13 correct, none. So what else? My bets. Let me show you my history. How I've been losing. My battery is not complaining. I'm using my phone. I don't have a laptop at the moment. Then for my history, I go to. Alright, sorry, I wasn't explaining. You go to menu, then my bets, then open. These are the current bets which are still running, which haven't been settled, which haven't been played, games which haven't been played as well that we have betted for. Then settled. These are the bets which have been settled. If we check, this is my history. I've lost this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. I've lost 15 bets and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I've won only 4. Yes. Probably it's because I'm not a sports fan. I don't know. I'll be just guessing. Then for the jackpots, I've run for 2, and in both 2, I was able to predict only 6 correct and missed 7. Maybe you'll be good on this. Then for virtuals, virtuals I've lost. I've never even won one virtual. I think the best one will be dealing with spots. Rather than that 0.31 there is my balance. Okay. Anyway, that seems to be all. Withdraw. Let's see what they say. 700. That's all I wanted to share. Click subscribe so that you'll be alerted on the next one I'll talk about. I'll be sharing how to make money online with you guys. So this was the first video where I was just talking about Betpawa. Next time I will bring something new. So if you are subscribed, you'll be alerted of everything I post. Don't forget to like.